If you're a foster parent, you might be a little lost when it comes to determining which tax breaks and advantages are available to you. Unfortunately, foster children are not eligible for some of the same credits and deductions as biological or adopted children. Don't worry though, there's still some good news and a few valuable tax breaks available to foster parents. First, let's review who qualifies as a foster child. The child must be placed with you by judgment, court order, or an authorized placement agency to officially be considered a foster child. If the child has not been placed with you by the courts or a government agency, he or she technically doesn't qualify as a foster child, so you won't be able to claim foster parent tax breaks. Still, you may be eligible to claim the child as a dependent if the child lives with you for more than half of the year. So what are these fostering tax breaks? For starters, if you receive foster care payments from a child placement agency, the state government, or your local government, those payments are considered non-taxable income, which means you won't pay taxes on them. If you have fostering expenses that aren't reimbursed to you by the agency, you may be able to deduct those expenses as a charitable donation. There's a catch, however. The expenses are deductible if the agency or organization who placed the child with you can receive charitable donations. If the agency can't accept charitable donations, the unreimbursed expenses may qualify as support provided by you. And remember, support provided by you counts toward you being able to claim the child as a dependent. If you provide at least half of the support for the child and meet the other requirements, you qualify for claiming the child as a dependent.